Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today June 14, I bring you the Morse code for Hamster Kombat, and it is DeFi, DEFI, decentralized finance. So we go straight into the work for today. But just before then, I want to crave your indulgence to take some time out to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get you notified anytime I post a video on my channel. So without so much ado, let's dive into the work for today. So you open up your Morse code mode, and then the first letter there is D. So for D, you have the ultimate chart with you, I believe. So for D, you have hold, tap, tap. So you hold and then you tap, tap, gives you D. For E, you just tap, and then for F, you're going to tap, tap, hold, and tap. So you tap, tap, hold, and tap. Then for I, you tap, tap. That's it for today. So if the video is too fast, you can slow it down to see, but I think it is well explained here. So thank you for visiting my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a great time.